Hold on. Well, that was interesting. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the girl who is the most impatient person you will probably ever meet. I say that because I got home. I literally was not home 2 minutes when I got the mail, and I found this in my mailbox. The only thing I did do was grab this. Hold on. Gotta have that. Did not even change out of my work clothes. Came up here. I get too excited, and I'm gonna stop talking because I talk a lot. You know I talk a lot, right? And we're gonna get into this, and of course it didn't fail me. You know that you can't get into it. So while I struggled with that, in case you did not know, I'm opening my Birchbox. I didn't even bother to tell you that because I just can't wait. I get too excited. Birchbox is, how rude. Birchbox is a $10 a month subscription where you do get tiny samples, never really any full-size products of, it could be hair, it could be makeup, it could be skincare, it could be a lot of things. I happen to love it. People are on the fence, but I love it. This is a, I guess you could call this Thanksgiving themed, approximately. It says magic inside as always. It's interesting. This box doesn't thrill me. But that's okay. It's what's inside the box that counts, right? Let's open her up. Per usual, it will come with a card, which I will not read the back of because I do not want to know what's in my box. But I will tell you that it says this fall, there's no better time to get connected with your job. Why would they put that one first? Like, whatever. Your friends, yourself, and your beauty routine. I'm not going to read the whole blurb. But there's the theme. There's always a theme. I'm sorry. But look how empty this box looks. Who has some ideas to make this just look a little bit better presentation-wise? Okay. I see some familiar packaging because Amika has that very... Oh my goodness, there's a kitten. Did you know there was a kitten on the Amika packaging? Look at the kitten. I did not know that. I know that now. This is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Amika's hair care product. Now, I will have to maybe read up on the card specifically what it's for. I do enjoy Amika products. This is a maybe cover one use in my hair. I don't know. But we'll see what the price is and the value like I usually do for you guys. The next thing I'm pulling out, well, I have no idea. Let me show you. It says Arrow Boost. I gotta put my glasses on for this one. Color Enhancing Lip Balm. So I'm guessing this will turn a different shade on your lips. No scent that I can tell. I'm gonna put it on my hand. It goes on. Well, there was just a leaping cat right now. Did you see it? This isn't a circus, guys. It's on my hand. You can't see it. You can see the cat scratch, of course. Let's see what happens by the end of this video and see what this turns. I'm assuming this is a full size, by the way. Just saying. Next, let's take this teeny tube. Even with darn glasses on, I can't see it. It says Daily Something CC Cream in Light Medium. It's by Supergoop, and this is literally so tiny. Let's open it up and see. I don't do too well with CC creams. It really depends. And this looks exceedingly dark, and there is no safety seal on it. That would not work for Abadabs. Okay, it did blend into the skin. Alright, I'll be anxious to try. You know what? I'm going to just put a little bit on my boo-boo and see if it covers any of that up at all, because obviously CC creams are not meant as foundation. I mean, maybe a little bit. We'll see. Oh no, this one I'm really excited about. If you haven't tried Luxme, I know it's spelled L-X-M-I, but it's pronounced Luxme. This is a Nilotica melt, they call it. It's made from a particular type of nut. And this is one of those metal kind of packages, I believe. Let's see, do you have to pierce it? No, but it is safety sealed. This stuff, if you have dry skin, this is a miracle worker for your dry skin. And it has a natural nutty smell to it, but it's not an added fragrance. That's just the natural smell of the product. Yeah, I love it, and it is super duper moisturizing. I ran out of it, and I'm so happy to have this because I love it. Of course, if you have to have any nut allergies or anything like that, I would definitely check, because I don't know how nuts in skincare products might affect you if you do have an allergy. I love this stuff. It is about, I think, $25 to $30 for a small tube of it, but man, oh man, does your skin feel good. And this is from Les Waltier. I only know how to say that because I asked somebody. This is a mascara. It is completely sealed, so I'm not going to open it. I have not tried the mascara before. I tried their CC cream, as a matter of fact, and I did enjoy it. Unfortunately, I said I don't want to open this up because you know how many I do have. When I get to this one, of course, I will throw it in whatever month I happen to be reviewing. And I'm just finishing up. Hold on. Well, that was interesting. I'm just finishing up a couple of mascaras, so I'm going to be trying some new ones. Maybe I'll break this one open. Maybe I want to go through some older ones that I have. Okay, I mean, I'm pretty decently, aside from the small sizes, you get some decent products, and you get to try out some decent products and decide whether or not you like them. Like, I will be able to determine whether or not I like the CC cream. And speaking of the lip balm, that's just turning a very, very light natural pink. It's not turning that weird color pink, so that's pretty nice. It feels very moisturizing. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'll be happy with that. Let's read the card. So the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, the full size of it is $28. They are not inexpensive, but it is packed with sea buckthorn berry, which is chock full of omegas, true, and jojoba oil. The paraben-free mask intensely hydrates strands while repairing damage and sealing frayed ends. This is what you called a frayed end, in case you were wondering. The Arrow, now I have heard of them before, I'm pretty sure, but it says it's exclusive to Birchbox. The Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, it's called Blush Hour. Maybe they have all the colors. The full size of it is $14, which, I'm sorry, but to me, for a lip balm, that is so much money. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips' pH. It reacts to your body heat and creates a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to you. I believe that's true. Les Waltier, the Dramatique, oh come on, do they have to be that funny about it? Intense 3D volume, wrong thing. This is it. This is mascara. The 3D volume mascara, the full size of it is $25. This mascara better be as good as, like, you know, my high-end, like, Benefit mascaras and stuff, if they're going to charge $25 for it. It says the mascara's unique wand shape coats each lash with its jet black color and conditioning ceramide-rich formula for luscious, fuller lashes. I'm sorry that you can't see the wand. If I can find a picture with it open, I'll insert that for you over here or over here somewhere, so you guys can see what they're talking about. But $25 for that is, as far as I know, I think expensive. Oh, I was wrong. The $25 tube was just the small one. And this, the Creme de Nil, the full size is $58. But you know, it's worth it. This is used, as I said, the Nilatica Reserve. It's found in Uganda. And it says the luxurious face cream provides serious moisture to all skin types for a plump, radiant complexion. I can tell you, if you have dry skin, you'll adore this stuff. The Super Goop Daily Correct CC Cream, broad spectrum, 35 SPF. Okay, light medium. That was all backwards. The full size of this is $34. The CC Cream is a top seller thanks to its lightweight formula that won't clog pores. Its shade adjusting technology blurs, evens out skin tone, and protects skin from the sun. If I was maybe doing a no makeup day, which, let's be real, that doesn't happen, I might try this. I will try this and let you know just what I think of it. Because even in the wintertime, you still need SPF, especially when it snows. You can still get a sunburn. So, with that being said, I'm very, very happy. This is deepening up in color, which is pretty cool. I'm very happy with this. If you get Birchbox, let me know what you got. Let me know what you think about it. And let me know what you thought about mine, because I like it. I have another box that I have to film, so I can't, you know, go yet. And I'm going to stay in the same darn clothes. And, you know, you guys don't seem to notice or mind. And I appreciate that very much. I appreciate you very much. And I hope you all have an amazing day, an amazing week wherever you are. And I'll probably see you, like, in another video, maybe today. Who knows? But I'll see you real soon, guys. Much love. Bye, everybody.